everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here, and in today's video we'll be doing part 2 of how I book my clients and my booking system, and we will be talking about how I use Square. So I actually use Square to check my clients out. At the time that I first made my Square account, I didn't know that you can make your own website. So here's another option for you to make a website on Square. I don't know about their websites. I don't have any experience with it, but I'm just letting you know in case somebody's just looking for an all-in-one, because I know on Wix, I don't think there's any way that you can check your clients out. So I use Square to check my clients out and to take credit card payment. You can use Square as your booking system, but like I said in a previous video, I like being able to have like my own website and just customize it how I want. So that's the reason why I use a website. But Square, you can have it as your booking system and as a way to check your clients out. I will let you know that Square does charge a small fee to deposit the money into your account. It's a processing fee, and I feel like all booking systems have that same fee. Not the same fee. I know Square's is low, but they all charge a fee to deposit money into your bank account. So let's just get into the video. Some of the reasons that I like Square is because I can offer gift cards and e-gift cards. I can also keep track of the inventory that I have in here, like that I retail to clients, check them out while charging them for their skincare products at the same time. And don't do like me, don't do what I do as I say, and make sure that your services and your items library is organized. Mine is not. So for your item library, that's where you would put like your skincare products, any products that you retail clients, and then for your service library, that's where you would put the services that you do. I don't know why I have them all mixed up, but they're all mixed up together. So you don't want to do your stuff like how I did, because if you need to print reports, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people need to print reports, but when you're printing your reports, you want everything to be on point. Like you want to know what item did you sell the most, or what service did you do the most, or where the money is coming from. And I know that you can create custom prices, like, oh, you can just type in the price that is for the service. But me being me, who I am, I like knowing what service was done, just being a little bit organized. Another thing that I love about Square is the discounts portion. Some of y'all are probably thinking discounts, like what's so good about a discount portion? But like I said before, I'm still not like the most organized person. So when I was charging people deposit, I had to like subtract at their appointment, like, oh, how much do they owe since they already paid their deposit. And it was like I was typing in manually the price that they owed instead of having like the service. And because I had to manually type in the price that they owed, then it wasn't tracking, oh, I just did a chemical peel or whatever service I did, because I had to manually type in, oh, they pay $100 for the chemical peel because they already paid their deposit. So it was just unorganized in that way. So now I have deposits and, well, a discount, and the discount name is deposit paid. The only amount of a deposit that they pay on my website is $10 or $20. So now I can still click on a chemical peel, and I can click on discount and deposit paid $20. So I know what service I did. I hope that makes sense. And I love that Square keeps everything, like they have reports, like every month you can see a report, or if you want your report for the whole year. I love that because as independent contractor, we have to have like proof of our income to provide to some places. Like for my son's daycare, they want to see my income as well as my husband's income, and my husband, of course, he gets his paycheck and he can just provide that, but I have to go in and I have to provide like my proof of income, so I need to be able to print out reports. So I love that about Square. I can still see the booking site that I used to use with Square, and you can see it's just very plain, and I wanted to offer more to potential clients, so that's why I decided to go with a website. But if you are just a very simple person, this can work for you, or anybody just starting out. If you ever need to send invoices, you can use Square. That's what I was using to take deposits from my clients. At first, I was sending them invoices through Square, but I ended up figuring out how to take deposits with Wix, so it just made that part a little bit more easier. And this is what I use to check out my clients. This is an old iPad that I have, and yeah, I bought the chip reader. Yeah, I bought the chip reader, but you get the stripe reader free. So like, and you can see on the Square reader that there's a library, and it has gift cards, discounts, all items and services, add-on, and you can make your own category. So I have a section called add-ons. I have facials, lash extensions, retail products, waxing, but you also want to make sure that those categories are listed under the correct items or services categories, which mine isn't. I need to do all of it over. But yeah, so if you have somebody that wants a full set of lash extensions, you can go lash extensions. Those are $175. Discounts, and they paid a deposit of $20, and it comes out with a total, because it was coming down to like, oh, okay, we're checking out the client, and now we have to figure out, oh, how much does she owe? And it's like, to me, that was getting annoying. I hated that, so I was like, let me just put a discount in there and it'll figure it all out. Because if you're anything like me, I'm not good with math. Being on the spot trying to figure that out was not fun. And if you don't have an iPad, you can always use a laptop or even your phone for the Square checkout. That is it that I have for you in this video. If you haven't already, make sure you go watch part 1. If you have any other questions, definitely let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one.